Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to another episode of Glam channel. And in this video, we'll be making a DIY, and that is the last minute DIY that you can make with the least of things you have at your home. And obviously, because of the lockdown issues for the Teachers' Day, you require something that you can give to your teachers, and the best thing that you can give is some DIY. DIY is not only just show and expresses like expresses your respect towards your teacher, but also tells that how much you have given the effort to make it yourself and gift it, because money cannot replace the DIY gift. So best you can give DIYs, and the best thing is giving a card. And I have made here a card with the things I already have at our home. Some pieces of coloring papers, and some white sheets and art papers, so that you can get in any nearby stores, and also some pen, coloring pens like black, blue, red, which you already have with you. So I'll be making an easy one, and I will show like how much easily you can make it. I will not make it too much complex, so it becomes easy for everyone. It's not that I can do DIYs, that means it will be easier for me, but as to make it easy for each and every one of you to make it for yourself, I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. And this is very easily done, looks very beautiful and colorful too. There are surprises also inside the card which will make you remember of your school or college room. So obviously in lockdown, the most things we miss as a student. Myself as a student, I miss the campus, I miss the canteens, and also the classroom. So in this case, this will remember and give you a memory of that, and you can give to your teacher that will also memorize them. So yeah, without wasting your time, let's get started with this video. you have liked the video. If you did, then please hit on the like button. That increases us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Please share it with all your friends and comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any other video contents you wanted us to make. Please subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon beside it to see a lot more videos like this and get the notification on time. Please click on the all button on the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Yeah, that was all for this video. If you have a great teachers you hate virtually, or if your teacher is near your home, that's good. If not, then obviously virtually it will be a great teachers day and a new type of teachers day. And yeah, hope you all are well in these situations. So stay blessed, stay happy, and bye. So the second giveaway alert is already given on the channel. So if you haven't seen that, the rules and regulations, so you can click on the I button somewhere above here to get the to get the rules details of this second giveaway. And if you want to see what are we giving away and which type of gifts we give away, so you must see the giveaway gift that we have given it first giveaway, so you will get the knowledge of what we are going to give in the second giveaway. That is all for this video.